Hey everyone, it's Darla from Crafty Yarn Owl. Thank you so much for being here. And have you noticed I have a new intro? Just playing around with a new app that I came across. It's new to me anyway. I think it's called Vista Create. Anyway, just let me know what you think of it. So on it are some balls of yarn and a card. Because I do paper crafts as well, but I don't do tutorials on them, just tutorials on crochet wearables mainly. But anyway, today I want to show you some Happy Mail that I got. I've had these for a little while. Life, I wasn't able to get much recording done this week, but I am working on a tutorial. All right, let's see. Okay, this one was sent to me by the lovely Melissa P, and it says fa la la llama. Fa la 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 llama. I don't know. But anyway, it's so cute. And I love the little pom-pom. It's actually raised. Isn't that sweet? Thank you so much, Melissa. And she says, Merry Christmas and Happy New Year inside. I think it's really, really cute. So I had it hanging on my wall, and I thought, oh, I need to show those. Oh, never mind, it's just life. All right, so there's the first one. And then I got this one. Isn't this beautiful? May your days be merry and bright. And this is from the lovely Krystal from Krystal, the Yarny Chicken and Crazy Cat Lady. She wrote, Darla, Hubby, Huggles, and Minnie. Huggles and Minnie are my kitties. She always remembers their names. That's so sweet, Krystal. She writes, wishing you a very Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. So you all, that would be me, hubby, and the kitties. So thank you so much for that, Krystal. I really appreciate the time you guys took out to mail these and to think about me in the first place. Thank you so much. And yes, many blessings for both of you in 2022, for everyone in 2022. All right, so a while back, just before Christmas, Sabrina malived you. Hi, Sabrina. I'll link her channel below. Krystal has a channel as well. I'll link those below. Sabrina had said that she had a Christmas gift for me, but she said it wasn't going to make it to me in time. So what she did was send me an Amazon e-card. Oh my goodness. I was very shocked and surprised and thrilled. You didn't have to do that, Sabrina. You're just so sweet. Sabrina's had some things going on and she wasn't able to put up a video, but she put one up today, guys, so I'm going to link it below. She's talking about this year's plans for her channel. So make sure you check her out. And, she's a sweetheart. And please subscribe if you want to. I'm not going to force you to. But anyway. So I went on Amazon and I looked at so many things. And I ended up getting paper crafting stuff, supplies. So I'm just going to share that with you. These are stickers in this little box. Now, I'm not sure how many there all are. I'll try to link everything below. I have some water here in a little container. That's so I don't lick my fingers. Okay, so these are stickers. These are mainly, I think actually all of these are just like cutouts of words and sentences. Grand Prix. Some of this is in French. Some is in English. I'm not going to show you every single one, but yeah, it's just for decorating cards, journals, and whatever. I have shown you some of the cards that I have made. If you want to check back in those videos, if you're interested in looking at the finished cards. So that's one thing. And then these are also stickers. These are different. I'm kind of going for the vintage. I'm just really into vintage when it comes to thinking about making journals and things like that. Yeah, it's just, I don't know, neutral colors. I don't know what's really attracting me. But anyway, so these look like stamps. Look how they're shaped, like postage stamps. And they actually have the stamp on them like they've already been used. This says 1886. But of course, these really aren't stamps, and they're really not that old. Look at the squirrel. How cute. And there's flowers. Yeah, there's flowers. There's a buck or an elk. See, I don't know. What's the difference between a buck and an elk? I'm a country girl. Doesn't mean I know all about the country. And these are, oh, it's a bee, of course. Look at this beautiful butterfly right here. Yeah, so they're just shaped like stamps and kind of cool. What do you think? All right, so we'll go to the next one. So these are shapes. These are all stickers. All these boxes contain stickers. These are shaped. Look at that. Do you see something there? An owl. Yes. And there's a bee. And then the quill pen. Like these things would go nice. Like a quill pen. There's some typewriter. Oh, there we go. Old-fashioned typewriter. I don't know how old-fashioned it is. I mean, I used to use a typewriter. I don't know how long ago. But, yeah, so I'm thinking that could go in a journal, right? Anything to do with typing or writing. You know, look at this cute rabbit. Yeah, so that's what these are. There's a pocket watch. Yeah. Oh, and look at this. Look at this. Oh, there's another. Is that the same? That's the same typewriter. Okay. Look at chocolate. Oh, I love chocolate. All right. So that's those, or at least some of them. I don't want to take up too much of your time. And then there's other box. These are shaped as well. They're not just squares or rectangles. And these have a little more color to them. And these are also stickers. That's a mailbox. I think that's really pretty. And there's a key. And there's a bird. Same bird. I think there's like 2 of each design. Not sure how many's in the boxes. I think this might be a Bible with a dove, possibly. Yeah. There's what is it called? A ship's steering wheel. Okay, you guys, help me out with that. Beautiful flowers. There's a feather. There's a gear. Yeah, here's a typewriter, another typewriter in this pack. Yeah, so that's some of that one. There's like quite a few in these boxes. I don't even know how many now. I knew when I ordered, but anyway. And then I've seen people use these doilies. I don't know, maybe I could have got them at the Dollar Tree, although I've never seen them there. So yeah, but anyway, I got them at Amazon. There are lots in here, and I've seen people use them for cards. You know, you put them on your card page and do a collage of different shapes and things, and you know, decorate them. So I thought that was really nice. I wanted to use this for that, or also you can use them for, say, bag toppers. Put half of it behind the bag, and that fold it over, staple it, decorate it. Yeah. So these are 4 inches. I think these were actually the smallest ones I could find on Amazon that weren't too small. Okay, so that's what that's going to be for just decorating. And then these are the papers. I got 2 packs of these. These are 6 by 6. I think there might be 24. I didn't count them, but so I don't know what this is. If this is Morse code, what do you guys think it is? I really don't know. Or is it something that goes in those pianos that play themselves? What are those? Anyway. So there's 2 of each, and this is so pretty. I think it might be maybe fabric, wallpaper maybe. Pretty design. Like this is all vintage as well. These are just dots. And then there's this Eiffel Tower. It says Paris. And then there's some, it says telephone or téléphone, maybe. Paris, Metropolitan in English. And then look at this painting thing that painters use. Oh, and Le Gramophone. Le Gramophone. There's the famous dog that listens to the music. And the old record player. Yeah. And then this, I'm thinking this is maybe, I think it's maybe a postcard. Oh, look. Right, that's postcard, right, in French, I believe. Miss Sabrina Mallow Juice will know. And others. Like, I understand some French. I speak a little bit. I read a little bit. But, yeah. So is this one a pocket watch? And this is really cool, I think. This is like, it looks to be cutouts from a catalog or something. You know. So there's 2 sheets of that. And I got 2 packs, like I said, so I have lots. This is about grammar and arithmetic, some kind of certificates. Yeah. So there's 2 of those. And then this, I think, because it says arithmetic, algebra, geometry, etc. I think it's probably report cards, maybe? Probably, maybe. This one says, that looks like 1900. I'm thinking this is, could this be a birth certificate or some kind of information about somebody? All right, so that is everything. Thank you so much for watching and liking and subscribing. I'll have some yarny goodness soon because I'm working on a tutorial. So who's all working on my last tutorial, my one-piece body crochet cardigan? Wow, you know, once you get the rhythm of that works up really quickly and you don't have panels to sew together. So make sure you check that out and have a wonderful day till I see you next time. Thank you. Bye.